Good morning, good afternoon and good evening guys. My name is Deep Churing Lepcha. In this video, we're going to install iOS in GNS3 and VMware environment. Open up GNS3. First of all, we are going to remove our pre-installed routers template from the local server. Okay, alright. Click on OK. Click on yes. Okay, maximize it. Go to routers. Yeah, you can see that pre-installed routers over there. Go to edit and preference, and then okay, click on iOS routers. Select 3725 series. Delete it. Select 7200 series. Delete it again. Apply and OK. Alright, minimize it. Now what we're going to do is, alright, open up VMware. Okay, GNS3 VM virtualization. Double click on it. Close it. Alright. Double click on GNS3 VM. Import it within VMware workstation. Okay. Yeah. Click on import. In the previous video, we had an error related to virtualization technology, right? Now there is a virtualization technology option in BIOS. You have to enable it and then come back, and we have installed our GNS3 VM. Close this window and then start it. Right click on it, power and set up start up guest. Yeah, this is alright. This is working fine, I think so. Unless and until you enable that virtualization technology in BIOS, it's not going to work. So it's working fine. Okay. Okay, our IP address is 192.168.244.128. This is my IP address for GNS3 VM. Now, what we are going to do is click on GNS3. Okay, maximize it. Go to tools, not tools. Click on help, and then click on set up a wizard. Over here, you don't have to do nothing. Okay, click on next. Over here, 192.168.244.1. Click on virtual machine. Over here, you can see that 192.168.244.128 is the IP address of GNS3 VM. The default gateway should be 44.1. Yeah, click on next. Successful. Next. Alright, you can see select VMware recommended because we have installed GNS3 VM related to VMware workstation. Our CPU core should be 2, and I have selected 8 GB of RAM. I have got total 16 GB of RAM in my laptop. Okay, open up taskbar. Here, click on performance, and in memories, you can see that 11.7 GB is available right now, and 3.8 GB is being used. So 8 GB. Click on next. Alright, wait for a while. Okay, done. Click on finish. Over here you can see that it's showing you the option to add iOS. Click on next. Run the iOS on GNS3 VM. Click on next again. Browse the folder where your GNS3 iOS file is. I'm going to go to my folder where I've kept my iOS. It's in D drive. Okay, come to GNS3 folder. Yeah, over there you can see, yeah, here is 3725 series. Okay, open it. Yes, click on yes, and then okay, it will take a little bit time. Done. Click on next. Okay, 3725. Click on next again. The minimum RAM size should be 192 for NAT support, for network address translation support. So I'm selecting 192 MB of RAM. Click on next. Over here you have got already 2 interfaces installed, so I'm going to add 2 more interfaces. So my router will be having 4 interfaces. Click on next, no weak cards, next, and click on idle PC finder for best performance related to your CPU utilization. And it's done. It found at CPU utilization PC. Alright, okay, click on finish, and it's been installed. Click on apply, and then click on new tab to install a new IOS. Select GNS3 VM, next, and select new image. Click on browse for new IOS 7200 series. We are going to include this one. Open, and yes, and yeah, okay, click on next. 7200 series, next. Okay, 512 MB of RAM, it's more than enough. Click on next. Select 2FE, that means 2 fast Ethernet, and 1 I have already got, that means 3 total. And click on idle PC finder again. Done. Click on OK. Alright, it's not going to eat up your much memory RAM. Alright, not memory, processor, sorry. Click on apply, and then click on OK. Alright, here you can see that our iOS has been installed successfully. Okay, you can see over here. Click on router. Okay, first of all, what you do is close the GNS3, close GNS3, and then close that VMware window as well, and we're going to restart it again, so the changes are going to take effect. Alright, okay, click on GNS3 again. Sometimes it shows some errors, so we have to close the window and then restart the process again. Not the whole process, just to restart, that's all. Yeah, see, when you open up GNS3, the VMware workstation, it automatically started just like that. You don't have to just click on it and you have to open it. It opens up just like that. Yeah, you can see that it's working fine, that means. Alright, just minimize it now. Okay, done. Test lab. Alright, click on OK. Click on routers. Okay, we have got 2 routers over here, 3725 series and 7200 series. Just click on view, click on edit and preference. Over here you can see server, right? Enable local server and 192.168.244.1. This is the default gateway, and GNS3 VM, it's enabled over here, so it has to be checked just like that. Alright, click on OK, and then click on routers. Drag and drop 3725 series of router like this, and drag and drop 7200 series router like this. What's the difference between 3725 and 7200? 7200 series of routers are based upon 15.0 or 15.x iOS, and 3725 would be 12.4 iOS version. Yeah, and click on the labels. Alright, you can see the labels. The routers are turned off right now. Just click on play button. It's going to turn on the routers. It'll make it functional. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Okay, now what we are going to do is click on console. It's going to open up the console for routers, where you can type in the commands. Alright, okay, for router 1 and for router 2, I've got 2 consoles. Okay, yeah. Router 1, show IP interface brief. No IP has been assigned, it's unassigned. You can see fast Ethernet 0/0. Alright, configure terminal. Alright, it's wrong. Configure terminal. Let's try it again. Alright, we are in the global configuration mode. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. IP address 192.168.1.1.255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Turn on the interface. Exit. Again, type in exit. Right, that means we are going to save the configuration and show IP interface brief. Alright, it's going to show. Alright, we have assigned IP address on fast Ethernet 0/0 successfully. Go to router 2, show IP interface brief. Alright, unassign IP addresses. We are going to assign IP address on fast Ethernet 0/0. Configure terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. IP address 192.168.1.2.255.255.255.0. No shutdown for router 2. And type in end and write for save to save the configuration. Yeah. And now verify the IP address. Show IP interface brief. It's going to show up the IP address. Alright, it's assigned. And ping with 192.168.1.1, and it's successfully pinging with R1. Go to R1 and ping with R2 192.168.1.2 successfully. Voila, it's done. It's totally fine. So our topology is working, and that's it. Stop the topology, close the window. It's all. Thanks for watching, guys. For more videos, you can go to my site and subscribe it. We have much more videos related to L2 switching in GNS3, and we are also going to add Cisco IOS firewall within GNS3 environment and VMware environment. Thanks for watching.